Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm doing the wash and go. Before we get into all of that though, hit that like button to push the video into the algorithm. Yeah, make it book up in it. I'm using two different methods, starting with the shingling method on the left side and proceeding with the denim brush on the right. Now, the reason for doing the shingling method was because I wanted to do a curly cut. Now, this is about 10 in the night time, so I started to get tired. Hence, I decided to use the denim brush. The entire trimming process was not as smooth. On the right side was very clumped, very defined. I was having a problem cutting it. I attempted to trim that portion. However, my hair is looking a little uneven, so mistakes were made. I will have to try and rectify the problem. The trim was a fail. Yeah, the trim was a fail. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair because it's a fail. My hair is choppy in areas. I'm low-key freaking out. Let's see what I can come up with in another video.